Hey, I'm in Texas, people. I'm not on Cape Cod, but today I'm hanging out with Nicole Smith of Nicole Smith's Gardening. I'm here with Cynthia from CC's Texas Gardening and Mona from Sifting Soil and More. And we're going to walk around her gardens, Nicole's gardens. And then we've been drinking a little. It's been fun. So check it out. Here we go. She got tick seed already in bloom. Looks like a zinnia of some sort. Look, ooh, mushrooms. Alright, we'll start here. This is the circle garden. But it's going to be beautiful shortly. Let's see what we can find. Got lots of roses. Beautiful. That down there, that's all chrysanthemum. I want to say it's Bride's Veil, but it is a white chrysanthemum. Alright, let's go look at the beds. Well, let's get over there. It's going well. She has some tomatoes over here. Some more of this. This looks like an amaranth. Oh, she already has zinnias blooming. It's beautiful. More tomatoes. A ton of oregano all over the place. Another beautiful rose. I don't even know what that is. Maybe a hollyhock? I wonder. Alright, she has some brassicas that went to seeds, but that's good for the pollinators. Some mustard greens over here that are going to seed. Well, she got some that's still good. There's a cardoon in the back. Beautiful tomato over here. I think this is mustard as well. It's going to seed. I don't even know what that is. These beautiful grapes that surrounds her garden. Go. She's got her onions in. They're starting to begin to bulb up. Beautiful. Put those in there. Get some sort of kale going on over here. Some strawberries. Onions, more onions. She planted a whole bunch. She got more tomatoes against the fence. Beautiful pot of thyme. Two varieties. One's variegated, one's just regular. More roses. More brassicas. There we go. Cardoons. That looks like some garlic over there. She has some irises that just started blooming. Alright, that's great. Look over here. I thought that was Cosmo, but I don't think it is. This is fennel. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely fennel. Look at that. Succulent, love that. Citrus over here. It's putting on some flowers and some fruit. Which one is this? I don't know what this one is. Beautiful. It's like ginger, if I'm correct. Had to grow that up north, but it's not impossible. She has some kale. It's getting some bug damage. That sounds surprising. This looks like celery. It's definitely a celery. Some sort of mint in that pot. Iron arbor. There's the clematis there. Pretty sure that's what that is. That's pretty. I don't have a clue what it is, but I think I want some. Over here we have another citrus. Again, putting on some fruit. asparagus over there. More tomatoes. Pretty dahlia. She got a few more coming up. That'll be gorgeous. Full of oregano. It looks like she has a little sage plant poking through. Under the netting, she has some more squashes. All kinds growing here. So much fun for elderberry, and right next to it is this beautiful loquat plant. Some wallet peppers here, over here. A beautiful banana tree over here. I think I could be wrong, but that might be Roselle. More peppers.
Yeah, every single one.
Look at those tomatoes. Look how loaded that is.
Like about a month ago, it didn't even phase the season.
Look at that.
Whereas a lot of my tomatoes some of my tomatoes got killed. The okra, like, no, we're good. And I've got
We're in the tomato jungle over here. Over here, we got carrots. Coming up over here. Some sort of collards. It's got two beautiful green stalks here. That tomatoes. I don't get tomatoes until the end of July.
I do.
Look at that. Look at that. A lot of peppers going well. The prickly pear cactus.
Look at that. Oh, I see something.
Ooh, there's some beans. Does she have any? Because that's snitching.
Is that good?
She has some nice little okra right there.
I'll forget like I did the last.
That's a chocolate cherry. No, a chocolate jelly.
Let it
All right, this is a sweetie cherry tomato.
controversy is
It's
good.
good. Yes, it is very good.
Get
Get the reddest one you can find.
Sweetie.
It's good as
They do.
a freezer pop tomato.
It's good.
Got all that celery,
Yeah.
and we're just gonna load it up with celery.
Oh, and what kind of this sorrel?
That is red vein sorrel.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Beautiful.
It's perennial, I believe. At least it is up north. Potatoes looking good.
A lot of tomatoes to taste.
Squash under the
I
netting.
do. Lemon squash, lemon drop.
Right, this is Nicole's greenhouse. It's gorgeous. Look at that eucalyptus, all the things. Now, gotta admit, it's hot in here today. And look, we have a wren's nest. That's crazy. So that's it. I'm going back in the house where the girls are. Just wanted to come out here and check things out. I love visiting Nicole. She's such a sweetheart. So if you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. If you want to hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that. And my friends who've been here before, you know I appreciate you. And as always, my Cape Cod life, well, in Texas,